Hello, beautiful souls. Jody James here at the Chalice Well, a sacred space here in Glastonbury, and I couldn't think of a better place to share my experience with Marie Mbouni. Marie came into my life when I was in a fragile state, at a very pivotal time in my life and at the depth of my transformation, and a real beacon of light and an embodiment of love. And she came into my space and became the wind beneath my wings, held me when I couldn't hold myself, and nurtured me through my transformation, through my evolution, and has become a dear, dear, dear soul sister of mine, and an artist and a true wizard at her craft in helping the world and everybody that embodies it to remember love. So if you're in a space where you feel you could use some help remembering love, this is it. Namaste.